G'day viewers, this is Dave and I'm with Denise. Now, we've both been business consultants for a fair while. I mean, I've been online for a fair while, as you understand. But Denise has got probably close to 20 years with traditional business and how to keep them on track and how to make them profitable. However, with the information age, things have shifted a fair bit, and for people that want to have more time and more money, what's a couple of key business aspects that people should look at, whether they got a traditional business or whether they just want to start an online business?
Well, you know what, I hate to say it, but we need help, and so you can't do it on your own. Don't operate as a silo. You've got to be out there with people with a proven system that already works. So for me, I've tried to do it on my own business, offline, online, and it's really tough. So my experience now is with the community that Dave and I are now involved in. We have mentors and coaches who've been there and done that. They've got the automated systems in place. They've got the contacts. They've got the proven products. So it's like not reinventing the wheel, just go with something that already works. I kind of consider it to be almost like a franchise, in that it's a system. You follow the system and you'll be successful. You got to work. It's not always easy, but it is simple. You just got to know what you're doing. And so having people that teach you, your mentors, your coaches, and keep you on track and hold you accountable. And I think it allows people to play a bigger game, because I know for me personally, I've been playing a small game because I haven't known what I was doing well enough. Yeah,
very good. And the other thing that we probably should let people know out there is it's not like MLM. You're looking at a real business here, something where you're not relying on a downline, you're not relying on stuff like that, you know what I mean? And you don't have to go and talk to your friends or family, or you can...
Yes, well, let me tell you, viewers, I have done the MLM, and my big promise to myself, my gift to myself is I will never do it again. Now, I'm great with people, all of that, but there's always other stuff to be done in a business, and you're reliant on other people. I want to be in control of my business, and that's one of the things I love about this. I get to choose where I work, when I work, who I work with, that kind of thing. And I also want freedom. I want freedom of time, and also have the money to actually, be able to do things that I love doing in that time.
And also, you and I are getting to that stage where our real working life is getting close to where...
Be careful, Dave.
How do we say it?
We're baby boomers.
Yes.
That wasn't rehearsed. We're both baby boomers. I'm happy to admit that.
Yeah, so I know you're heaps younger than me, but I'm heading towards 60. So... I know I don't look it, but believe it or not, I am. And anyway, I just thought I'd just bring this to you, just from an expert in business and helping business people strive.
And also just people in general, to help them have a better lifestyle. And I just wanted to raise a point, if I may, just that whole thing about being a baby boomer. Let me share with you, I am a technophobe. I do not like getting behind a computer, so I've always felt that is just such a huge disadvantage. One of the things about this that I love is learning how to outsource, doing all the things you either not good at, don't like doing, or just plain don't want to do. Yeah. So I'm looking at not just my business, but my life, cooking, cleaning, the whole bit, but particularly around the technical stuff. So I have a team who will do that work for me, and I can sleep at night.
But not having staff, rather have virtual assistants.
Yes.
Yeah, we are in the digital age, so...
Yes, and a lot of us have been living in the industrial age in the 21st century, and it's like, wake up!
Yeah. Anyway, well, thanks. Now, there's probably a link around here to grab our swipe or newsletter or something. Anyway,
There's probably a link below.
or there could be one above, or it could be one next to it. Anyway,
You'll know where it is. You'll see it, and
yeah.
don't miss it.
Yeah. Cheers.